Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem called bots to save people, right? So it's a LeetCode problem of the day for today, and let's read the question first of all. You are given an array people where people of I is the weight of ith person and an infinite number of bots where each bot can carry a maximum weight of limit. Each bot carries at most two people at the same time provided the sum of weight of those two people, or let's say one people, is at most limit, right? So return the minimum number of boards to carry every given person. Okay, so the question is simple. You will be provided with some number of people, right? Then their weights are also given. You are given a limit, right? So limit basically says that a bot can carry maximum weight of, let's say, 3 here, right? So maximum weight of limit a bot can carry, right? So let's say I have a bot which can carry 3 weight, right? So I have 1 and 2. There are two people. The first one has, let's say, 1 kg and the second one is of 2 kg. Although it's not practical, but still hypothetically we are taking that. So I have a limit 3. I have to minimize the number of bots and I have two people with me, 1 kg and 2 kg, right? So of course I can take both of them in a single bot, right? Because the maximum limit is 3. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, right? So take both of them in a single bot and that will be the minimum number of bot that is required to carry all these people, right? So similarly, let's say there are 4 people, 3, 2, 2 and 1. These all are their weights and the limit is 3, right? So the minimum number of boats will be 3. How? Because see, 1 and 2, we will take them together. 2, we will take him in a single boat, and 3, we will take him in a separate boat, right? So total, we took 3 boats. So how to make sure that it is the minimum number? We will discuss the same in approach. Similarly, 3, 5, 3, 4 is given and the limit is 5. So we can take 4 boats. Basically, we are carrying each of them individually, right? So the question is pretty simple. So let's have a look at the approach, right? So you just have to keep these things in mind. The first thing is a person's weight. A person's weight is lesser than or equals to limit, which basically means that we can carry everyone. So this shows in this constraint that people of I is lesser than or equals to a limit. So one thing is clear that we can carry all of them, right? So there won't be a condition where we cannot carry all of them, right? So we can carry all of them, and one bot can contain either one person or two person, right? Basically it's given that at max 2 person we can carry. So we can anyway carry all of them. That means one person can anyway travel in the boat. At max 2 people can go. So one boat will be carrying 1 or 2 people, right? And then the number of boats are infinite, right? Infinite number of boats are available. Then the question says get the minimum number of boats so that we can carry all of them, right? First of all, let's have a random try. So let's say limit is given 4 and I have these people, right, having weight 2 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, 4 kg, 3 kg, 3 kg, right? But the boat's limit is 4 kg, 4 kg at max. So now I will try to take this guy. This guy, okay, I can take because 2 is lesser than 4, right? Then I will try to take this guy also along with him. Can I take? Yes, because 2 plus 1, that is 3, is lesser than or equals to the limit, that is 4, right? So 3, I can take these both guys. Then I will try to take this guy. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, which will be 5. But bro, the limit is only 4. How can we take 5? We cannot take, right? So we are going to take only 2 and 1 in a single boat, right? In a single boat, we will be taking 2 and 1. Then I will try to take this guy. We can take because 2 is less than 4. Can I take 2 and 4 together? No, because see, 2 plus 4 is 6. That is greater than the limit. So 2 I will be taking in a separate boat. So boat number 2 will be carrying 2, and then I will try to take 4, right? So 4 I can take, of course, because 4 is the maximum limit. So 4 I can take. Can I take 3? No, because 4 plus 3 will give 7, which is greater than the limit. So 4 I will take separately. So the third boat will be containing 4. and then I will go for the fourth boat, right? So I can take 3, right? Because 3 is less than 4. Can I take this 3 also? 3 plus 3 is 6. No, I cannot, because 6 is greater than the limit, right? So I will take these people separately. So fourth boat will be taking this guy, and fifth boat will be taking this guy, right? So what is the number of total boats that we took? It is 5, right? It is 5. Is this the optimal answer? I mean, is this the minimum number of boats that we can have? Let's see. Let's see. Let's try for some other combination, right? So let's say I'm taking this guy and this guy together. So I will take these two together. This will be 4, right? This will be 4. So 4 is lesser than or equals to limit, right? So we can take them. And then I'm going to take, let's say, this guy and this guy. So the weight will be 4, and we can carry them. Why? Because 4 is the maximum limit, so we can carry 4. And now I'm going to take this guy alone. So the weight will be 3, and I'm going to take this guy alone. So the weight will be 4. And then I'm going to take this guy alone. So the weight will be 4, right? So how many boards I took? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the number of boards were 4, right? Number of boards were 4, right? So it is lesser than this combination. So this is not optimal, and I'm saying this is better than this boat. Now let's look into the intuition. Okay, so before getting into the actual intuition, let's observe something. So what we have to find? We have to find the minimum number of boats, right? So let's say there are so many people and a boat is given, and let's say this is a stream, right? I know it doesn't look like a stream, but still this is a stream. Now I have to carry these all people from this side to the other side, and we have to minimize the number of boats. So can I say we should take maximum advantage of the boat? How we can take maximum advantage of one boat? We can take the maximum weight possible in each trip, right? So by doing this, each boat will be having maximum weight. So by doing this, each boat will be carrying maximum weight, right? So we will be requiring minimum number of boats when we take the maximum weights. But we have to keep one more thing in mind, that is at max, two people are allowed to travel. So two people can travel at a time. That means in order to take the maximum weight, can I go for the heaviest guy? Yes, right. So let's say there are so many people standing here, and here is a boat. Let's say this guy is the heaviest one. So I'm keeping this guy here. So let's say this guy sat here, but I have some more remaining weights left. But I can carry one more person. I can carry one more person. Why? Because at max, two people are only allowed, right? So if I have the heaviest guy in the boat and I can carry one more person, so I should be taking which person? Can I say I should be taking the lightest guy? Lightest guy, right? So that's where the intuition comes in. So if we cannot take the lightest guy along with the heaviest guy, so we cannot take all these people. Why? Because these people will be anyway heavier than the lightest guy, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to take the heaviest guy and the lightest guy, and then we will send them through the stream, right? So we will try to send these two people. But let's say this is the boat and heaviest guy sat here, this much weight is remaining, and the lightest guy, right? And the lightest guy in this group cannot sit here, right? Cannot sit here. So in that case, we will send only the heaviest guy. So that's what we are going to do, right? So this is the array and the limit is 4. So I will try to take the heaviest guy. So heaviest guy is 4, right? 4 I have taken, and lightest guy, that is 1. Can I take him? No. Why? Because 4 plus 1 will be 5. That is exceeding the limit, right? So I will send 4 first of all. So 4 I have sent. So now among these people, the heaviest guys are these two. So I will take this guy. 3 I will take, and the lightest guy is 1. So can I accommodate 1 along with 3? I can. Why? Because 1 plus 3 will be 4, and which is not exceeding the limit, right? So these two will be going. So this guy will go and this guy will go. Now the heaviest guy is 3, right? So 3 will be sitting in the board. I will try to take the light guys. So can I take any of them? Can I take 3 plus 2? It is 5. I cannot. I cannot, right? Why? Because 5 is exceeding the limit. So I will take only 3 and I will send it. So this 3 also went. Now the heaviest guy is 2 and the lightest guy is also 2, right? So 2 plus 2 will be giving 4. Can we send them together? Yes. Why? Because it is not exceeding the limit. So we will send these two people in a single boat. So now how many boats we required? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is the most optimal answer, right? Basically 4 is the minimum number of boats that are required to send all these people to the other side of the stream. So now have you noticed something? We are actually taking the heaviest guy and the lightest guy, right? Basically the largest value and the smallest value, right? So can I make them stand in a queue in a sorted way? Let's say like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, right? So if I make them stand like this, I can easily get the smallest and the largest value, right? Basically smallest value will be at the leftmost side and the largest value will be at the rightmost side, right? So I will take 4 and then 1 and then I will check for that, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to sort the input array, right? And R will be having the largest value and L will be having the smallest value. So let's have a dry run on this. I will check whether 4 and 1 can they travel together? Can they travel together? No, right? So send 4 separately. So 4 went, right? So one boat we have taken. Now we are moving this R one step backwards, right? Why? Because 4 is already taken. Now the largest value is this guy. So R will be pointing here. Now I will again check, right? So can I take 3 and 1 together? 3 plus 1, can I take them together? 3 plus 1 will be giving 4 and it is not exceeding the limit, right? It is the limit. So I will take both of them. I will take both of them. I have taken 2 boats till now. So if I take both of them, I will be changing both of the pointers, right? So L will be pointing to this guy and R will be pointing to this guy. So now again check. Can I carry both of them? 3 plus 2, which will be 5. I cannot. Why? Because 5 is exceeding the limit. That is 4, right? So take him separately. Till now I took 3 boat. Now decrease the R. So R will be here. Now again check. So 2 plus 2, that is left plus right, which will be 4. Can I take them together? Yes. Why? Because it is not exceeding the limit, right? So 2 and 2, right? These both will be traveling together. So we took 4 boats till now. After that, L will come here and R will come here, right? This condition basically means that we have taken all these people. So now whatever is there in the number of boats will be my answer. So in this case, 4 is my answer, right? So now let's have a look into the code, right? The code is pretty simple. So we will be keeping 2 pointers, left and right, right? Left will be pointing to the first index, right will be pointing to the last index, right? And now I'm going to keep track of the number of boats, right? And to make them stand in order, we have to sort. So we are sorting the input array, right? There is people. So after sorting, we will keep this condition and we'll go inside this loop. So now I am checking, can I take both of them together? Can I take both of them together? If I can, then increase the left pointer and decrease the right pointer. If I cannot, so take only the right guy, so decrease the right pointer, right? So either I can take 2 guys or I can take 1 guy and then I will be sending this bot. So one bot already went. So this loop will keep on going and it will be taking either 2 guys or 1 guy. And the moment this condition fails, that means left is crossing right, which basically means that we have taken all these people, right? So at the end, boards will be having the number of boards that we have taken. So we will simply return the answer. So now let's have a look at the time complexity and also the space complexity. So we are sorting them. So the sort function will be taking n log n time. This while loop will be running for n time. Not exactly, but at the worst case, it will go for O of n time complexity. And after that, we are just returning the answer. So n log n plus n will be the time complexity. And for space, we are not using any. So O of 1 will be the space complexity, right? If you want, you can just simplify this and write something like O of n log n. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.